What's up, guys? It's me, Packy, and today I'm bowling against Ben Pettit, who is New Zealand's #1 ranked bowler, and today we're going head-to-head in a race to 2. Start him off with a strike here, 42-foot pattern, pretty flat. That was first try, unlike the intro. He cannot be phased. He did tell me to go first because he wanted me to put the pressure on him. I don't know if I've heard that one before.
We're in for it. We have a troublemaker from DVA. The new ball specifically designed for two-handers, no thumbers. It's good, it's good. Pretty versatile.
Ball's like the perfect, middle of the bag ball. Not a split, that's all we care about. How long did it take you to get here?
We had a 15-hour to America from New Zealand direct.
So direct flight from New Zealand to Chicago?
Yeah.
I'd be nervous on a 15-hour plane ride. So in reality, you came here to check out WSU.
Yeah.
Get a lesson from Rick.
Yeah.
Little shocker bowling camp. Oh, that's so good. I need to stop doing that. That's been like my miss of the last 3 weeks.
Chop.
All right.
For the last maybe 4 years, been watching, Packy and Brad and Kyle and all of them, just soaking in the knowledge I can get really from it. Oh.
All right.
It's makeable.
That's another makeable, just like the last one. What's the biggest sport in New Zealand?
Rugby union.
Rugby union?
So we have the All Blacks, and they're arguably the best rugby country ever.
In the world, yeah. What's the sport that you watch?
I watch a bit of soccer. We pronounce it football back at home.
Who's your favorite football team?
Liverpool.
All my football knowledge comes from Ted Lasso. And it's never you, it's always the lanes. Even when you miss by an arrow to the right, it's always the lane's fault.
So making a little ball change.
Black Widow hybrid.
Little cleaner, don't have to overthrow it.
What's your favorite ball right now? Purple Hammer.
Yeah. Tundra Fire is pretty good.
Tundra Fire?
Yeah. A lot of success with that in the last month, so. That one's better.
Wow. Mine doesn't look like that going through the pins. I feel like when I throw shots in general, they all sound like they're getting lined. Does it sound better? Huh? All right.
A little quick.
So you're going to be a sophomore in high school, basically?
Our years are February to November, and so I graduate in November 2025. So I'm in my third to last year.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got 3 years left in high school, which would be sophomore for those of you watching.
Please.
Nice shot.
My prayers were answered.
Do you drill your own bowling balls?
Yeah. I got a drill press from one of the New Zealand coaches.
Oh, awesome.
He had 3, so he was yeah.
He helped you out a little bit.
Yeah.
Nice.
Got a lot of that one.
Yeah, not on purpose. So you're on the New Zealand youth national team.
Yeah.
And the men's national team.
Yeah.
How often do you guys train?
Not much as a team. It's kind of just in the lead up to going away. Team gets selected to go away.
And then they meet up maybe once or twice.
Yeah. A little slower here. Better.
Very nice. Sometimes I just dig my fingers in all the way and I don't do it on purpose. I'm too used to throwing the urethane ball. Be nice to it. Calm down. Money. I'm on 250 pace. The constant question, what am I pacing? Is it 250 or 230? I say it's 230. I feel like I do that all the time.
Very, very unfortunate.
I do it all the time. I wish I didn't. All right.
How'd you hear about Wichita State?
It was a lot of like seeing guys like Packy and Chapman and Frankie and all of them come from here. I was at the Youth Worlds in Sweden last year, met Spencer and Alec there, talking with a bunch of people online and in person in Sweden, just brought it to my attention a lot, so yeah.
A lot of good bowlers here, a lot of good bowlers used to go here. Oh. Gotta get lucky on those. I never go Brooklyn. Very nice. Madison would yell at me if I said I never go Brooklyn, because I only go Brooklyn against her. Hook! Keep the pressure on him. Keep the pressure on. I bowled with Ben 2 days ago at a tournament, and he bowled very well. Hook. I need a double to win, so let's double. Let's win this thing. Game 1. Or let's just throw a bat again.
The door's wide open.
Let's see how open it is. I need to make this first. 7's not there, so we should be all right. 1.
7's not there, so we should be all right.
Door's wide open. Wide open.
It's pretty wide.
Spare to win.
Sit. Oh.
Listen, if you don't go Brooklyn, you're not trying. I gotta get a ball change.
We gotta make one as well.
Yeah, game 1. Loser for me. Loser. Good news is it's a race to 2, so I got plenty of time.
Favorite ball? Yeah. Track's made a good one here. All right. Little move.
Quick.
No ball change?
No ball change. I have a bunch of illegal balls back there. Good luck.
Good luck, he
I'm in
says.
this game. My game.
Little move here. See it. Wait. That's not so good.
Ooh, all right. It's probably gonna make this. It's kind of how I think in match play.
Make it. Wait.
Do you always shoot the middle of it? Yeah. I also always shoot the middle of it. Every once in a while you get 1, but usually you're getting at least 3. I'm trying this game. I'm like, throw good shots. Throw good shots. That's what I'm trying to do this game.
Oh.
Yep, here we go. Here we go. I should get out the Tundra Fire. It's in my garage. I'm in the middle of moving. I don't have all my balls. Unlike Kevin, I am not moving to California. I'm staying in Wichita. That was a weird one. The 10 pin like started to go, came back up. It's all right. I'll take a spare here. Spares don't win it for you, but if you miss them, they do lose it for you. I.e. 10th frame last game.
I thought that last one was good for 6. Gave us some good information. Oh, hook.
Oh boy. Oh boy. He didn't even like it that much in his struck. I'm in trouble.
That's in.
This ball is too strong, it's too quick. I need to change balls right now. Should I break out the black hammer?
Wait.
But if you miss them, they do lose it for you.
Spare ball is too quick. Spare ball isn't hooking enough. I like never miss spares. Still haven't missed a 7 pin in a month. Unfortunately, I also needed to hit the 4 pin there, and I did.
Wait. Get out 9 pin. We got an illegal ball coming up.
This one is legal. It just the press jumped on me. There's no bolts in this one. Yet. No bolts yet.
I reckon you stay with the other one.
You wanted me to stay with the other one? I'm sure you did. I don't want you to throw that one either.
The other one looks so much better for you.
I think your Black Widow looked amazing. Nice shot. This is not looking good. After 1 frame, I was like, oh, we're good, we're good. We weren't good. I slipped out of my hands. Ball's really slimy. Oh!
I don't think I've ever seen someone do that.
1-6. Looks like we're switching back to the top speed. I thought it was gonna hook and it just never.
Making a preempt move, just a 2-1.
Money! His ball's splitting the 8-9 every shot.
That ball is so good.
This is probably game 8 that I've seen him throw it, and he struck all 8 games I've seen. So, not good news for me. I'm down in the hole big. Oh my God. I need to go Brooklyn. Let's try and make the spare first. I tried to get one.
Oh, see the
Money. See if he could shoot 290 at me. If it doesn't hook, just move left. Yeah, that ball's not hooking a lick. Just like my black hammer, baby. Just gotta keep moving.
It ain't gonna matter what you shoot, boss.
Nah, this is the Ben Pettit show right here. I said he was good. He's good. He's killing me. It's just what I wanted. It's just about 18 to the left. Hook.
Oh, that's good to see it.
Absolutely.
Oh. We got some room.
Come on.
Little slimy.
Little bit slimy. I've accounted for the slime. I've moved left. I'm just too late. Too late on the move. Haven't thrown that ball in like 3 months. Probably why I'm late on the move. I know you brought a jersey for me to sign. I brought one of my own jerseys to sign. Okay. So if you shoot 290, I'll sign my jersey and I'll give it to you, all right?
Sounds good.
If not, I'm not signing any jerseys.
Pressure's on now.
Time to cheat.
That's close.
Oh. All right, Ben, finish it off here.
Oh. A little bit of rotation there.
That's just what happens when you got a good look. Matched up. I don't think I've ever shot 290 down here. Ben's beating my high score ever down here.
Oh.
That's a little. Listen, when you got it, Ben. When you got it, you got it. So I wasn't either. He got 5 on the first one.
I was.
What happened on that first shot?
We got a little quick.
The ball looks amazing.
I was gonna give it one more, and I wasn't too sure about it.
It didn't give you one more. It gave you 11 straight. Oh! 289. Hey, great game. Great game. Thank you for watching. I got beat by 100 this game. As always, don't be afraid. Click that subscribe button down below. You guys can follow Ben on Instagram. I'll put his Instagram down below so you can follow him and what he's doing. He's bowling all around the world. I'm just bowling in Kansas. So follow him, follow us, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace. Let's get Ben that signed jersey. All right.